video is for the head timer, which is basically the backup timer. You'll still attend the timers meeting, which is roughly around 5-10 p.m. before the meet. So that's just on deck to meet all the other timers, recorders, and the ASA official. What you will do for home meets, we only use a backup timer for our home meets here, is when you check in with the work shift coordinator, you will make sure you pick up the 2 backup stopwatches. Work like a normal stopwatch. You'll hit the right button to start, right button to stop, and then left button to reset. Where you set yourself up though is very important. At a home meet, we will have 3 chairs lined up right here on the shallow end and on the deep end, and then also on the shallow end, just depending on where the race ends. You will set yourself up so you're out of the way of the judges, but you also need to have a clear line of sight to all of the blocks where the timers are. For every single race, you're going to hear the ASA official say, "Swimmers, take your mark," and then you'll hear a beep.
Swimmers, take your mark.
When you hear the beep, you also need to make sure that you're looking at the starting system. Our starting system has a little light that flickers, and so that's much more accurate than the sound. So you'll make sure you can see the light that goes off. When you hear the beep and see the light go off, you will click the right button. Immediately, you're going to turn yourself to look at all of the timers. If they have a malfunction or they missed the click, they are going to raise their hand. When they raise your hand, let's say that lane number 2 over here raises their hand. All you'll do is weave your way through the swimmers, go to that timer, hand them your stopwatch. They will take it from you. They will finish the race, record their time, and then hand back the backup stopwatch to you. You will resume your position in here. Now it might be where you're stuck all the way over there, and then that's okay to then line yourself up on that side as long as you can see the starting system. Make sure you get the timers ready, or get the stopwatches ready to hand off to the timers. Most of the time, you don't need to do this. It happens occasionally, but we do want to have accurate times for our swimmers. Some of the races will end on the shallow end. That is for our 10 and unders. And everybody will move together, so you won't get lost. Everyone will move together. And then on that end, you'll just make sure you line yourself up. Again, clear line of vision to see all of the timers on the shallow end. So again, every time you have a race, you will make sure that you start, look and see if any timers need to borrow your stopwatch. You'll go to them if you do, wait for them to be done, grab it from them, and then resume your position, stop, clear, and start again.